In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Phantom Wallet onto your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so depending what device you're on, go ahead and click onto your Play or App Store. And then from here, click on the search, and then we want where it says search apps and games, type in Phantom Wallet. Once you've done that, scroll past any sponsored results and look for the purple Phantom Wallet. At the time of recording, it's got 39,000 reviews and over 10 million downloads. So click into it and then go ahead and click on the blue install button. And what this is going to do is download and install the app at the same time. So I'm going to click install. And as you can see, verifying by Play Protect. And now it's currently downloading. So it's 61 megabytes in size. So it's quite a smaller app, and yeah, it should only take a few moments to download. All right, once the app is downloaded, go ahead and click on open, and then from there either create a new account or log into an existing Phantom Wallet account.